Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fate/Stay Night on Android. To begin your journey, you will need two main components: a visual novel reader application and the game's data files. The process involves a few straightforward steps, making this epic story accessible on your mobile device. Most Android phones and tablets should be capable of running the game smoothly, requiring about 4 GB of storage. First, you'll need to gather the necessary components. Search online for the Fate/Stay Night visual novel data files. These are typically found in a compressed archive. Simultaneously, head to your Android App Store and download a visual novel reader application. There are several options available, so choose one with good reviews and ensure it supports the game's specific file format, often a common visual novel engine. Once you have both the application and the game files, the installation is simple. Install the Visual Novel Reader app as you would any other application. Next, use a file manager to extract the game data from its archive. Create a new folder, perhaps named Fate/Stay Night, and place all the extracted game files inside it. Finally, launch your Visual Novel Reader and point it to this new game folder. With everything set up, you are ready to begin. Open the Visual Novel Reader and Fate/Stay Night should appear in your game list. Tap to launch it. Take a moment to adjust the settings, such as text speed, autoplay options, and audio volume, to your preference. Now, you can fully immerse yourself in the captivating story, making choices that influence the narrative across its 3 distinct routes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.